The website for my business is finally done. It took me over 20 hours to get it from starting to the finish line. That spanned for over a month. Obviously, I'm doing a full-time job. I have other responsibilities. So I was trying to spend as much time as possible every single day. And this is the final product. It's a simple hero section in the middle of the landing page. We help businesses get more customers from Google. That is the main target audience, getting customers for people who don't have business profile, who don't have a website, or who don't have an online presence. So this is what I do. This is what we do. Obviously, 2 buttons straight away at the top in the hero sections. Services, that brings you down to the services section. And our work, see our work, that takes you to the case study page. So homepage is pretty clean. It's unique. The color gradient. Before it was black, then I converted it to light because black seemed a lot like hacky. It was referring to more of a forum rather than a website. So here's 3 main services, what we actually do: website build, Google business profile, website maintenance. Obviously, there's a CTA. CTA is across the site everywhere because this is what helps people take action. If there's just a section on the page, there is no buttons or anything, people don't take action. The more action people take, the better for your conversion. And here instantly I jumped straight into the case study. This is a business I built for my dad. He's a tailor. And straight away it says, there's got a couple of images here of the Google profile, a picture of him, the business interactions, from no online presence to market leader. This is exactly what happened. He used to go to different places, other tailors or businesses, to ask for work. He used to get customers from different sources, physically going to different places to actually find work. After I created his website, after Google business profile, people are actually coming to him rather than him going to the people or the customers. 6,000 new people discovered his business in Google. 4,000 direct calls have been made in last 6 months. 600 people requested directions. 150 plus reviews. Most of them are 5 stars. So this is basically what I'm showcasing to the businesses, that if you don't have an online presence, people can't really find you, because in this modern world, a lot of people Google your business before they actually come to your shop. So obviously there is a case study, a button directly to the full page. There is a lot more details, how the situation began, what was the problem, what we actually done as a solution, what the results were, and what it actually proves. This can be done to any business who doesn't have an online presence. Obviously a CTA here. Back to the home page, then we have services section here, another CTA to take you to the all services page. I'll show you that in a bit. Custom website development, Google business profile, web maintenance, site speed optimization, consultation. All of these services have their individual pages, which I'll show in a bit. Then the review directly from Mirajuddin, who's the owner of Mass Tailor, my dad. I had no website or online presence. Now customers find me every day through Google without me doing anything. Some even travel from across London and beyond. Another CTA here. Then how it actually works to give people a sense of what they are expecting. So obviously we have a free call. You can call us to discuss your business, your goals, what you need. And if you are happy with it, we can start building Google presence, website, SEO, site optimizations to get you as high on Google as possible. So when people search for your business in Google, let's say you are barber, people search for barber near me, a hairdresser near me. Our job is to get you as high as possible in Google listing, especially in the maps, along with the actual search. So people find you before your competitors who don't have online presence. And yeah, third step, you finally start getting customers. This is pretty self-explanatory. and try to make it as simple as possible so you don't have to read 10 different steps, what happens between each step. That is my job. That customer doesn't need to worry about it. At the bottom, get more customers from Google, start this month. Another CTA. A header, footer, pretty self-explanatory, privacy policy, terms and condition, contact. Next, there's services page. Obviously, pretty clean, directly straight to what we offer. Web development, Google Business Profile, each of them has its own page. So if you go to web development, for example, you have exactly how it works, what it is, all the knowledge that you need to get to make your first call, basically. And yeah, it's got this section here with more details. Another CTA here for case study, how it actually works. This has a little bit more detail. So a customer has all the information before they're like, okay, let me call this company, let me speak to him and begin the process, because they already trust it, because they already seen the proof, they already seen how it works, they got all the information of what's included, what's not, and how we can help them. That is the reason why we have services page. And this is the case for every single one of them. We have consultation, SEO, all of them pretty much look the same, but with different details and different CTAs in there. Also another CTA here. If you are not sure where to start, you can book a free call. And we have the work page. This is where I'm going to be posting the case studies, the businesses that I work with, their case study will be posted here. I already showed you, this is the first business that I worked with, Mars Taylor. You can see the full case study here, a lot of details, a lot of data. If somebody wants to actually go in detail, that's how a case study is supposed to be written. Then a simple about me page explaining what we do, where it started, the kind of experience we have, what we actually done. A couple of bullet points here, a review, and finally there is a contact us page. You can fill in the form, you can email us, you can contact us via phone. Yeah, the website is finally done. Landing page, services, case study, it's all done. So what's next? Before I go to what's next, I'll play a quick time lapse. It took me 20 hours to build this. It was built on Blocksy builder. That's what I used. Let me see if I can show it to you. Oh wow, why can't I access it? Yeah, but it was built with a builder because I didn't want to build this website from scratch, write the HTML, write the CSS, JavaScript, design and everything. So I used a builder that already had a lot of blocks in it. I could utilize them, and on top of that I could customize them because I already have knowledge of web development. Yeah, so let me play a time lapse to show you how much effort it actually was. 20 hours it took me, but I'm gonna show it to you all in 4 minutes. I'm gonna squeeze the timeline to make it faster. So yeah, this was a lot of effort to build this website, but for the future, I am prepared to develop websites faster because I didn't know about Claude AI. I've been doing this course at my job as a web developer. It is mandatory courses, and we've been doing AI learning, Claude AI learning, Claude code learning, and I could have made this website a lot faster now that I have that knowledge, but I didn't have this knowledge when I built it. So that is why it took so long. I am happy with the results, how the website turned out. It's pretty simple, it's got all the information that you need, and I can print it out on my cards, give it to the customers if they want to actually come to the website and get more detail without calling me or without having no clue of what it is all about. You can actually visit the website on sabildigital.co.uk. You can check it out because I probably didn't show a lot of it. The copy wasn't shown properly as well. You can read it out. If you need a website, you can give me a call as well. Because obviously this YouTube is also a marketing platform. You're watching this video, you might be like, okay, let me support this guy. Let me contact him. I have a project that he can help me with. Let's go ahead. Let's do that. Next steps for me is to outreach, cold call, get customers. First step is going to be register for Google Business Profile. So if people around me search for website designer, website developer, I appear there, so there's a little bit more visibility in the area. Obviously, I need to print out the cards, create the cards, print out the cards. That's the later step. And yeah, I know this is the hardest part of the whole thing, getting customers. Cold calling is going to be hard because I haven't done it for long time. As a developer, we don't actually try to persuade, try to convince or sell to customers. The clients are already there because somebody else already done that job, and we build. So I don't have any experience in sales. It's going to be something new, something fun. So make sure to subscribe to watch that. It's going to be a lot of rejections. I know there's going to be a lot of hang-ups. It's going to be people just randomly giving headache, don't know this, don't know that. But yeah, I'm ready for it. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, this was a video on website completion. I'm proud of this one. And take care. See you in the next one.